Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel Trade Learning. This video I prepare only for analysis, learning and for educational purpose. Please subscribe to my channel for daily watch list. Always trade with SL. My SL rule is keep SL below the 5-minute candle low which breaks the level for the upside and above the 5-minute candle high in the sell side. Never rush to the trade. Let it come to your level. So first I will go through my yesterday performance. So yesterday I had suggested first was Asian Paint. Asian Paint I had suggested above 2078. So see the first 5-minute candle. First 5-minute candle was red and it was in fact indecision. And second 5-minute candle was very convincing. So second I understand it opened below 2078, but when the first 5-minute candle high was getting broken, there was two entry in this trade. First it was at around 2089 and the best was at 2089, and with little risk it was good at 2082. So it is preferable to enter in trade when at this level, when my level is broken. My level 2078 2078 was broken in second candle, and second candle was breaking the high of first 5-minute candle also. This will work only when the level is broken, right? So once 2082 was broken, then we would have entered with SL below this green candle low. So the low was 2072. So 2070 was good SL, and then it gave a decent move up to 2106. See this low was never broken, and finally by the closing it was 2131. But this much trail and this much time as a working person we don't have. So keep booking, keep trailing. Second, I had suggested was SBI card. SBI card I had suggested above triple eight. So triple eight it broke very late, 1150. So here is one more um, scenario which I need to discuss. See, if we'll draw a line here, then in this trade also, once it was breaking day high, after this consolidation, this is a very good pattern. So first it is double bottom, and now here it consolidated for around 15 minutes, and then it broke this day high. So in SBI card this was very good, there was very good entry at 884, and SL also was very small. What was the SL? 880. Below these two candle low. So SBI card also, when it broke 88 triple eight, then it gave in first move it gave very good movement up to 899. And see how it was taking support. If some people will say it broke the lower in it broke in lower side also. I had given sell below 876. So my point is, see, it broke 876. But what is my point? The second candle, the next candle which breaks the level should cross the low. So this candle did not cross the previous candle. That's why there was no entry in the sell side. And then it started consolidating near support. So see my strategy, the levels which I share is mostly in upper layer it is resistance, and in lower level it is for the buy side it is resistance, and in sell side it is Support. So once support or resistance is broken, when it is trading in narrow range, and once the support and resistance is broken, then it gives very fast movement, because many people trade SL will hit, and once SL hits, it gives fast movement. So the best scenario to enter in SBI card was above 884, and and according to my level it was at 888. Third in my watch list was PNB Housing. PNB Housing I had suggested above 366. So see here also, like in SBI card, PN or SBI card, not SBI card, it is not matching. So uh, in this also we would have entered in this range once this doji was getting created, and once its high was getting broken. Nevertheless, we would have entered at 366 also, and then it gave good movement up to 375. So these are the performance, yesterday performance. Hopefully, people would have earned a good sum of money. For today, 21st October, first in my watch list is HCL Tech. HCL Tech I have selected because yesterday after trending till 10:15, it was consolidating full day in a range. So now I feel if 884 is broken, then it will give first then it may take first resistance at around 886. What I suspect is it should come again in this price range, maybe above 884. It may go up to 886 first, and then 890, and lower side if it breaks 875, then first it should take support near 870, and if 870 also is broken, then it may come up to 865, 860, but keep trailing your profit if the trade moves in your direction. Second in on my radar is Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital took yesterday took support at around 2173 zone, this area, and now it is moving up. So now today I feel if it opens above 2205, and then in that case if it breaks uh, 2220, then it will give good movement up to 22 first 30 first 30, and then till 2240. Third on my radar is HDFC. HDFC now I feel if it opens above 2027, and then if it breaks 2040, then it will give good movement of 510 rupees in the upper side. And if it opens above 2027, and if it breaks 2027, then it will give movement up to 2008. But in case it opens below 2027 and consolidates in this area, and then if it breaks 2005, then I feel it should come up to 1990 or 1985, till 1985. So these three are my stock selection for today. I have Godrej CP also. Godrej CP I have selected because it is in uptrend, and what I feel is if it opens below 692 and by 2 3 rupees lower than 692, I mean around 689 or 690, and then in case it breaks 692, then I feel it will give again good movement of 2 3 rupees, maybe 5 rupee also. So these are my stock selection for 21st October. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my analysis and my work, then please hit like button. Thank you.